Okay, so here we are. We are at Needles Visitor Center, Canyonlands National Park. So we're going in Elephant Hill, our fun trail that we always have to go get rigs on. So this one, the axle's broken. We are taking an axle with us, the entire axle. So we're going to swap an axle in the middle of nowhere.
Or maybe weld up the one that's broken.
Well, we will address that as we get there. But yeah, we got that. We've got Chris driving her Jeep with Lily in there. We got me and Mike riding in Mater. So yeah, Mike's on camera. So we're gonna have a wonderful Saturday drive.
Yeah.
Here we go.
The donuts are working good.
It's been hitting the gym a lot lately. Feel a little buffer.
Yeah.
It's swole. Straight swole. It is now deflated.
Going on here, left foot on the gas pedal,
Propped up by the other foot.
propped up by the other foot. It's like that.
So, the famous Elephant Hill video of carrying the Jeep out with the wrecked front axle or ripped out front axle. This is where he did it. Smoked here with the suspension dropped out, ripped it out, came to a stop right here. Here's his track still here.
All right, so we are here at the Joint Trailhead. It's pretty. Here is the challenge. See how this tire is a little crooked. Right there, that's our situation. I vote we weld it, personally, but
Mike has a vote.
I think if we pick it up and use Chris's winch to pull
Like
the
we were
bottom of the
saying.
tire
Yeah.
and just squish it back together, weld her up, drive it home.
Yeah.
Just my opinion.
But do we trust that on the highway?
That looks way more safer. Okay, wunderbar.
Here, let's swing down.
Oh my, Dios mío.
So it don't, right?
Until it falls,
Yeah.
the rope rips and it falls.
Keep going.
Okay. Back up. Good. Perfect.
There. Look at all that shade.
Okay. Button pushes.
Right. Perfect. We're in. Okay.
Yeah, this isn't gonna work.
Hang on, we don't want to get our springs in quick.
Oh yeah. We have a few things we need to get aligned.
Yeah, we might have to come back down a squirt.
Okay, hang on. I've got to get
Out.
Nope. I don't want to lose it. In. In. I don't know.
Apparently, I had to make the fire tiny.
Coming through, Mike.
Yeah.
Gotta go get it.
Okay, then I'm thinking pull tires and lower it and bleed some brakes.
It's about right on this side. Here it comes.
Good. Good.
Okay, it's looking pretty decent on this side. Yeah, that's it. We're good.
Good.
All right.
that's going?
To Kansas?
Nowhere.
We're on the road. Beauty.
Straight back right there. Yep. Passenger. Yeah, straight back. Nicely done. Beautiful. More. Beautiful. Four.
Here we are, back to civilization. All right.
So there it was. Got another one out of Elephant Hill. When Mike drove the Land Cruiser out, we swapped the entire axle. They had a spare one,
So we put it in.
so we figured that was easier than carrying it out. Besides, I think it went quicker.
Like you said, it's always easier to drive them out.
Yeah, it is. And time-wise, like you said, we'd have been driving a lot slower through all that after we got it together. So I mean, time-wise, I think we broke even.
I think we're ahead.
Yeah? Cool. Well, Mike says we're ahead. That's a win.
Yeah.
Anyway, so there's another one in the books. Thanks for watching. And 27 up here is in space. Rockets in space.
Yes.
Space.